Welcome back, car enthusiasts, to another thrilling review. Today, we're diving deep into a machine that has redefined American performance and set new benchmarks in the world of sports cars. We're talking about the all-new Chevrolet Corvette Z06, a car that blends precision engineering, track-ready performance, and a design that commands attention. Buckle up, because this is a ride you won't want to miss. The Chevrolet Corvette Z06 is not just an evolution of the iconic Corvette lineage, it's a revolution. Built from the ground up to dominate both the track and the open road, the Z06 is a true driver's car. In this video we will focus on Let's start by talking about the design. Because the Z06 isn't just about speed, it's about making a statement wherever it goes. The first thing you'll notice is the aggressive styling. Every curve, every line has been meticulously crafted not just for aesthetics, but for performance. The wide stance, the low-slung profile, and those massive air intakes all serve a purpose: to enhance aerodynamics and keep this beast glued to the road. The front fascia is dominated by a bold grille and sharp headlights, giving the Z06 an intimidating presence. At the rear, the quad exhaust tips and distinctive taillights ensure that this car looks as fast as it is. But the Z06 isn't just about looking fast, it's about being fast. And that starts with the heart of the beast, the all-new 5.5-liter LT6 V8 engine. This is no ordinary V8. It's a flat-plane crankshaft engine that revs all the way up to an astonishing 8,600 RPM, delivering a jaw-dropping 670 horsepower. This makes it the most powerful naturally aspirated V8 ever put in a production car. The sound alone is enough to send shivers down your spine, a high-pitched wail that's more reminiscent of a race car than a street car. Performance is where the Z06 truly shines. This car is designed to be at home on the track, with an engine that delivers instant throttle response and a chassis that's been fine-tuned for precision. The 8-speed dual-clutch transmission shifts lightning fast, allowing you to keep the engine in its sweet spot as you carve through corners. And speaking of corners, the Z06's handling is nothing short of extraordinary. With its wider stance, magnetic ride control 4.0, and advanced suspension, the Z06 offers incredible grip and stability, even when you're pushing it to the limit. Now, let's take a look inside, because the Z06's interior is every bit as impressive as its performance. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit that's designed with the driver in mind. The materials are top-notch, with options like hand-wrapped leather, carbon fiber trim, and suede microfiber. The seats are aggressively bolstered to keep you in place during spirited driving, yet comfortable enough for long road trips. The flat-bottom steering wheel, digital instrument cluster, and large infotainment screen ensure that you have all the information you need at your fingertips, whether you're on the track or cruising down the highway. But it's not just about luxury. This car is packed with technology to enhance your driving experience. The Z06 comes with Chevrolet's latest performance data recorder, which allows you to capture and analyze your driving performance. You can record lap times, G-forces, and more, turning every drive into an opportunity to improve your skills. And with available features like the head-up display and a Bose premium audio system, you're not just driving, you're fully immersed in the experience. One of the great things about the Z06 is the level of customization available. Chevrolet offers a range of packages to tailor the car to your specific needs. Whether you're looking for the ultimate track car with the Z07 Performance Package, featuring carbon ceramic brakes, a carbon fiber aero package, and Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, or a more road-focused setup, the Z06 can be configured to suit your driving style. And with a wide array of exterior colors, interior trims, and wheel designs, your Z06 can be as unique as you are. In summary, the Chevrolet Corvette Z06 is a car that redefines what it means to be an American sports car. It's a car that combines the best of modern technology with the raw, unfiltered driving experience that enthusiasts crave. Whether you're a seasoned track day veteran or someone who simply appreciates the art of performance engineering, the Z06 is a car that delivers in every way. It's a car that doesn't just live up to the Corvette legacy, it elevates it to new heights. So, if you're in the market for a car that offers supercar performance at a fraction of the price, a car that's as thrilling to drive as it is to look at, the Chevrolet Corvette Z06 should be at the top of your list. This is more than just a car, it's a statement that says you're serious about performance, about precision, and about passion. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of the Z06. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content. And as always, keep driving, keep exploring, and keep pushing the limits.